Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Good morning. Hello. Guys, am I audible? Is my voice is audible to all of you? Hi Puneet. Can I get the responses from others too? Yes, no? Hi Sai. Hi Charu. Morning. All right. So guys, today we are going to start with the file share storage services, right? Container storage services we have seen yesterday, and today we'll see the file share storage services. Okay, so let me go here to okay Azure study material. Okay, this is the material that we are referring, and storage accounts we are discussing, right? All this we have done. Storage accounts we are discussing, right? This one. So what I'll do, I'll go to the portal, Azure portal. I'll log in here. How many of you have created the Azure free trial account? Till now, how many of you have created? Can I get the responses? Yes. Okay. Saif. Okay. Good. Pranil. Only two people. Okay. Divakar, you have planned this weekend. Okay. All right. Okay. Good, Mahesh. See, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Practice is important. Without practice, without learning this, okay, we cannot get it. We cannot get the technology. Okay, and I'll share this material also soon. I'm going to share the material here. Okay, still we are, okay, thank you Charu. So still we are running with the open batch. We have not locked the batch yet. Okay, so once Naresh IT will lock the batch. Okay, lock the batch means we are going to change the link. A new link will be getting only to those students who have done the payment. Okay, something like that. Okay, all right. So, and once it is done, then I'll start sharing this material and everything. Fine. So I'll go here. This is my cloud platform. I'll go to the storage accounts. Okay, and then I'll go for this storage account 1910 Naresh SA. This is our standard storage account. See, standard storage account. We have seen yesterday the blob or container storage services. In that we have seen here page blob, append blob, okay, blob, etc. Now we'll see the file share storage service. What we'll do, we'll see the file share storage service. What is this at all? See guys, I believe many of you have heard about the shared disk drive. Shared disk drive. How many have how many of you have heard this shared disk drive? What is this shared disk drive? In our company, in our projects, shared disk drive means what? See, what will happen here? The name itself is telling this is what we call, this is we called as what? A drive. This is a drive. Okay, disk or drive, e-disk or e-drive, F drive, G drive, D drive. Okay, so when this drive, this one, or any drive is shared across all the computers which are hosted in one network, that we call it as a shared disk drive. Okay, when the, see here, when the drive is being shared, okay, to all the computers, okay, or servers, okay, which are hosted in one network that we called as a shared disk drive. Okay, and one more important thing here, what is the purpose of this shared disk drive? Okay, the purpose of this shared disk drive is it will act like a universal storage, okay, for all the teams who are working in different places, or working in different places a project in a project. See, I'll tell you one thing. We are having one team, okay, sitting in US, one team sitting in India, one team sitting in somewhere, let us take Sweden. Okay, like this, we are having multiple teams. Right now, IT projects are like this only. IT projects are like this only. Am I correct or not? So now what I'm saying here, all these teams are connected to one network only. Okay, because the project is one only. Teams are different at different places, but project is one only, and all the computers which are hosted, or servers which are hosted on one network, then I can make it as a shared disk drive, so that this drive will be available, accessible, reachable to all the people across the different locations, all the people across different locations. For US location, okay, it is available. For India location, it is available. For Sweden location, it is available to all the teams. Sweden location, Sweden team, it is available. India team, for them also it is available. For US location, US team, it is available. Okay, that's the beauty of shared disk drive. Now, in this drive, it looks similar like this only. Now, in this drive, we can save the data whatever we want. Like, we can store the project related data, we can store the documents, we can store the files, we can store the what we can say, functional documents, domain related documents of our project, okay, and architecture documents of our project. Everything we can store it in the drive, and this will be accessible, available to all. So this we were doing, okay, till now this we were doing in private cloud. Till now, this shared disk drive we were doing in private cloud. Now, what we'll do the same shared disk drive. Now we'll do in the public cloud. Now we'll do in the public cloud. Okay, is it clear? When the beauty of this, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, let me first create the file share storage service. Then I'll show you how this file share storage service I can make it as a shared disk drive on one of the Azure servers. Okay, guys, is that clear? So what I'll do now, I'll go here. I will say here file share. This is my file share service. First, I create one file share. Okay, it is something like a folder. Okay, it's something like a folder. I am clicking here file share. Give name for your file share. Any name you can give it as. I'll take it as Naresh FS. I'm giving it as Naresh file share. I'm giving it as Naresh file share. Here, what is the data that you are going to keep in this file share? Transaction optimized, hot and cool. What is it saying? Enable transactions, heavy workload that don't need premium level latency. Okay, great for applications that require file storage as a backed backend store. Okay, like heavy applications. Okay, what is it saying? the applications. Okay, basically like kind of transactional data, then when you want to keep it of your applications. Okay, then you can use this transaction optimize. Hot is what? Optimize for general purpose file sharing scenarios such as team shares or Azure file sync, etc. If I tell it in a simple words, then the data which is very frequently accessed, the data which is very frequently browsed, okay, then you can keep it as hot. You can keep it as hot. See, I'll tell you one example. I'll tell you one example. Netflix is there, right? Netflix is there. Okay. In Netflix, let us take some new web series has been launched. Let us take Money Heist. A new web series has been launched. And what this web series is going to have, this web series is having the episodes. Okay, this is the web series Money Heist. Okay, let us take season 2. Okay, we have launched season 2. So what is season 2 is having? The season 2 is having episodes, right? Episode 1, right? Episode 2, like this, multiple episodes the web series will have. Correct or not, guys? Am I making sense or not? Right? Episode 2, episode 3, like this, multiple episodes the web series will have. Now, what is happening here? When the web series launched, okay, let us take, there is some date decided to launch this web series because it's a super hit web series. Money Heist is a super hit web series. When it is launched, let us take the web series is launched on 15th of August. Okay, what will happen now? On 15th of August, everyone wants to see this web series. Everyone wants to see this web series. Then when everyone is trying to see this web series, then what is happening here? This is a data. Episode 1 is what? It's a video. Okay, data in video format. Data in video format. Correct or not, guys? This is also data in video format, etc. Now, when everyone wants to see this from 15th of August, then it means that data is very frequently accessed. Many people are watching these episodes because it is super hit web series. Okay, many people are watching. Okay, on 15th August, 16th, 17th August, at least let us take on 15 days from 15th August to 30th August. Many people across the globe, millions and billions of people are having the Netflix subscription. So when many people are accessing this, then that is called as what? Data which is frequently accessed. So such data, what we'll do, we'll keep it in the hot category. Same. Cool is what? Cool is something like data is not much accessed. Some old web series. Let us take the web series is a very old one. Okay. Let us take some other web series. Okay. Mind Malhotras. Comedy web series. That web series is launched 2 years back. So if it is launched 2 years back, will the people will see that web series in a very high demand? No. Gone. Finished. The people will see very rarely. Lord of Rings. Yes, Lord of Rings also you can take. Very old one. This is a movie, right, Sai? So no one will watch. Of course, people will watch, but it's a very rare they will watch. So when the data which is not frequently accessed, then we'll keep it in the cool category. Okay, is that clear, guys? I'm going as of now hot here. Okay, maximum IOS. Okay, input output. Okay, input output services that it is giving 1000. This is the default, guys. This is the default values it has given. The capacity of your file share, it is giving you 5 TB. 5 TB. What does it mean? 5 TB means up to 5 TB data you can store in your file share. In your file share, up to 5 TB data means, okay, let us take, you have deployed, okay, you have kept some data which is let us take some 15 videos. 15 videos. Okay, then we call it as what? We call it as what? Some 10 GB data. 10 GB data. Again, you have kept some 5 movies. Okay, like big Telugu movies. Okay, big old Telugu movies. We are having big old Telugu movies from Balaya and all. Okay, very old movies and very big also. That old Telugu movies, like used to be 3.5 hours, 4 hours. Like as such, 5 movies is we have kept. Then it will consume some. Let us take 40 GB data. 40 GB. Okay, something like this. So like this, 10 GB, 40 GB, like this we can keep data up to 5 TB, up to 5 TB. Of course, this is a file share, guys. This is a file share. We cannot keep videos here. Okay, we have to keep some documents. Let us take some docs, some documents. Okay, some raw files, 5 raw data files. Okay, like which is having a huge volume of data. Okay, raw data files having a huge volume of data up to 40 GB. So like this, 10 GB, 40 GB, etc. Like this, we can store the data accordingly. And up to how much we can store? We can store up to like this 5 TB, which is a huge size. Huge size. And even after that also, you want to increase this size, for an example, you can do it, so no problem. Okay, next, I'll say large file share disabled. Large file share disabled means what, guys? That the files which we are getting from Hadoop, big data and all, that is disabled here. Okay, large files, you can add it, but the files are from Hadoop, big data, data modeling. Okay, and star schema, snowflake schema data. Okay, the data in a different ways, completely raw data, which is of huge size, that we cannot upload. It is disabled. I'll show you. We can even enable this as well. Okay, next, click on backup. So it is asking if you want to take the backup of this file. See, enable backup, checked. Checked means it will take the backup. If you uncheck this one, then it won't take the backup of this file share. It won't take the backup of this file share. Okay, so if you check this checkbox, then it will enable the backup. See, vault name. Okay, if you want to set up some vault name, you can set it up here. Let us take, I'll give the vault name as a, okay, Naresh. Okay, FS. Okay, vault. Something I'm giving like this. Any name you can give here. Okay, fine. I'm giving any name as per my choice. Resource group. I'm creating this storage account in this in which resource group? Rose RG. Rose RG is one of the resource group I am creating, and this vault is saying me that the backup will be taken. Okay, like 7:30 p.m. UTC, and retention of daily backup point is for 30 days. It is taking daily at 7:30 p.m. Automatically backup will be taken by Azure. Okay, it is giving me some default. Okay, it is giving me some default values like daily at 7:30 p.m. UTC. The backup will be taken automatically for all the files that we are uploading in our file share, and it will be keeping retention of daily backup points means how much time it will retain. So it is saying that it will retain for 30 days. If you are okay with this backup policy, it is fine. This is a default policy. No, I don't want this one. I want my own. I want to customize. Then click here on edit this policy. Okay, give here now your policy name. Let us take it as like, my Naresh file share. My Naresh file share. Okay, policy. I'll say my Naresh file share backup policy. Something I'm giving like this. My Naresh file share backup policy. This is what a Naresh file share. Or else you can simply say here Naresh file share backup policy. Any name you can give, guys. It's upon you. Okay, now here you are having plenty of options. What I'm saying here, see, You want to set up the backup daily or hourly? Okay, hourly also you can set up the backup. Hourly, if you say here, how you want to set up hourly for every 4 hours. Okay, hourly means every 4 hours. Means what? 1 o'clock it will take the backup. After 4 hours, if you say, then 4 o'clock it will take the backup. As we have set up the 4 hours here, again after 4 hours, 8 o'clock it will take the backup. Again, 12 o'clock it will take the backup. Again, 3 o'clock it will take the backup. Like this, for every 4 hours of gap, it will take the backup automatically. Okay, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, whatever you want, you can set it up your time, your choice. And here the time, what time you want to take the backup. Okay, see, whatever the time we have set, let us take 4 a.m. in the morning. Then after 4 hours means 8 a.m. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 a.m. it will take the backup again. Duration, okay, this is like something like 12 hours or 44 hours. What you want? We are having two watches, right? Correct now? We are having two watches, 24 hours watch and 12 hours watch. Whatever you want, you can take it here. Okay, you can say 23 hours. See, it will not work out because we are in the morning hours, so we have to select this 8 hours only. Okay, fine. Time zone, which time zone you want to follow? Which time zone you want to follow, guys? You want to follow here India time zone, US time zone, Australian time zone. See, plenty of countries, different countries, their time zones are available here. Okay, whichever you want, you can take it. Okay, so coordinated universal time zone, international date line west, plenty of time zones are available. Okay, whichever you want, you can take it here. Let us take it as, okay, I'll take US time zone. I'm just looking for it. Kabul, Abu Dhabi, Muscat, Baku, Yerevan, Tbilisi, Kuwait, Riyadh. I'm not finding here actually. I don't know what name they have given. We'll take any time zone, guys. Okay, we won't waste the time here. Okay, I'll just take someone unique coordinated universal time zone. Okay, so see here, backup job will be triggered at 4 a.m., 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. because we have set up what for 4 hours. If you set here for 6 hours, then it will take, okay, in 6 hours of gap. It's upon you now. Okay, I'm just saying here 4 hours. Whatever you want, you can set it up here accordingly as per your project requirement. Retention of daily backup point means what? Daily backup point. Okay, high rate of retention that you will get it for how many days? Okay, I'll just say here, let us take 365 days I want. It will not possible. It is giving you maximum of up to 65 days. Okay, 365 days means you can keep it up to 65 days means how much it is? 2 months 5 days. 2 months 5 days you can keep it the backup up to 2 months 5 days. That is 65 days, not more than that. I'll say here, let us keep it for 45 days, means 1.5 month. I'm saying here for 1.5 month. This is what the backup policy, guys. If you want to take the backup daily, then you can select the backup here daily. Daily at what time you want to take the backup, pass the time here. Let us take 4 a.m. in the morning, or we can take it as 5 a.m. in the morning, and then this is so and so time zone. Then it will keep the backup for you at daily at 5 a.m. Okay, multiple options. Daily, hourly, very simple and straightforward, easy to understand. Okay, and retention of daily backup point here, 30 days, 45 days, whatever you want, you can mention. Let us see here how many days it is giving. 200 days. For hourly backup, it is giving 65 days. For daily backup, it is giving you 200 days. 200 days means how many months it will be? It will be more than 6 months, right? 6 months 20 days, right? 6 months 20 days. So I'll just say here 45. I want to keep it for 45 days, then it will keep it for you. And remember, guys, the number of days you are increasing here, okay, that much money it will charge you. Okay, if you are asking to keep it for 10 days, for an example, it will charge you some 1,000 rupees. If you are saying it, keep it for 30 days, then it will charge you 5,000 rupees. If you want to further increase it, let us say 45 days, it will charge you, okay, like something 5,000 rupees, because it is keeping your data for this many days. Now you are increasing the data period, you are increasing the time period here, so obviously it will charge the money for you. Correct or not? It's pretty obvious. When you go to airport, when you go to airport, okay, if you park your car in a parking lot, in a parking lot, how they will charge you in the parking lot, in airport, in bus stand, in railway station, number of hours you kept. If you kept the car for 30 minutes, they will charge you some 150 rupees. If you keep it for 5 hours, then they will charge you some 1,000 rupees, because the duration is big. In the same way here also, the number of days you are increasing, the money will be increased for you. So smartly we have to design. You will get all these details from your solution architect. No need to worry. Your solution architect will tell you, okay, how you want to set up the backup, like daily, hourly, at what time. Okay, you are just developing as an Azure DevOps engineer. You're developing the things. They will tell you all these things. What should be the vault name, in which resource group you have to keep, okay, what is the backup policy you have to choose, this is the backup policy, all these things they will tell you. No need to worry, guys. Okay, now this is what daily or hourly, whatever you want, I have explained. Now retention of weekly backup point. Okay, this is daily, this is weekly now. Okay, so at what day, on which day you want to take the backup? Let us take, I want to take it on Friday. Friday is a weekend, right? It's a weekend. I want to take the backup on every Friday, or else you want to take it on Saturday also, select. You want to take it on Thursday also, select. So in a week, 3 days it will take. It is not necessary, right? Unnecessarily, if you are scheduling many backups, then the bill will be very high. The bill amount is very high. You have to design your, okay, services as an Azure DevOps engineer very smartly, economically. Unnecessarily, if you are designing it wrong, if you are developing it in a wrong manner, then you are ending up paying a high bill to your Azure cloud computing. Okay, unnecessarily you are ending up paying a high bill. So that's why I'll say here, I want it weekly, once on Friday. Okay, at what time it has freezes the time, whatever the time you have selected, the time will automatically freeze here for your weekly backup also. And how many weeks you want to keep this backup? You want to keep this backup for how many weeks? I'll say for 4 weeks, fine, no problem. If you want, okay, for more than 4 weeks, that's like 16 weeks, pass on here. You will keep it for 16 weeks, whatever it is, etc. Retention of monthly backup point. What is monthly backup, guys? Okay, monthly backup means on which, what I can say, on which week of the month, which week of the month, how many weeks we are having in 1 month. In 1 month, we are having 4 weeks. Okay, in 1 month, we are having 4 weeks, right? If some months are having, okay, date, okay, after 30, after 30th, many months are there who are having date of 30th. See, example, August only. August is having 31st. September is having up to 30, right? October is having again 31st. So the months which are having more than 30 days, that comes as last week of the month. Last week of the month. Okay, fourth week of the month is this one. Fourth week. This would be the fourth week. Okay, this would be the third, second, first, like this it goes. Okay, it depends again now. They may take first to 11th as first week, second week, third week, fourth week, or they may take this one as first week, second, third, fourth, and this would be the last week. It depends. It depends. Okay, this one they can take it as last week. Okay, so when you want, I'll say here fourth week of the month. Okay, Friday, as it's a weekend. Okay, business closing day. It's a business closing day. Then freshly again, the business will close on Monday. Saturday, Sunday, holiday, because IT people, IT professionals will work only for 5 days a week. Saturday, Sunday is holiday. So I'll just take it on weekend every day, Friday. Okay, how many months you want to keep this data? Guys, in my real-time project, how I will do exactly, I'm showing you the same like this only. Absolutely related to your real-time projects. In real-time projects also, I'll do like this only with my team, with my team. Okay, how many months you want to keep it for? I want to keep it for 24 months, means 2 years. Fine. Next, I'm having yearly backup. Okay, week based, day based. Okay, I'll take it as week based. On which month of the year? These are all the months of the year. On which month of the year? Okay, it depends upon you. I'll just take it December. Okay, I'll say here fourth or last month. Let us take as last month because December is also having 31 days. 31 days. Okay, I'll take it as Friday. Okay, the time is freezed everywhere. See, time is freezed everywhere. I want to keep it for 10 years. Okay, let us see how many years we can keep this. Okay, it is giving maximum up to 10 years. 1 to 10 years. You can keep the data up to 10 years here. Okay, I'll just say keep it for 2 years. That's it. Click on OK. The moment you click on OK, what you have done here, you have scheduled the backup policy of your file share. You have scheduled the backup policy of your file share with this name, daily basis at this time. Okay, and you are asking the daily backup that what it is taking automatically. Keep it for 45 days, weekly backup every Friday, keep it for 16 weeks. Okay, monthly backup on fourth week of the month, Friday, keep it for 24 months. Yearly backup, December. Okay, last week of the month, Friday, keep it for 2 years. Say okay. It's done now. See here, it is showing you. Backup policy is this one. Default policy is gone now. Default policy is no more there. Okay, this is the policy name. Okay, daily. See here, daily. Okay, retention of daily backup, and then weekly backup, monthly backup, yearly backup. Amazing, amazing. Okay, next say here review plus create. It is doing the validation. It is checking what all the inputs we have given, whether that is correct or not. It is checking. Just hold on for some time. Okay, validation got passed. Okay, nice, very nice. Then click on create. Once you click on create, what it will do now, it will create a file share storage service for us. It will create a file share storage services for us. Okay, super. Now see, Naresh FS. This is the file share name we have given. Naresh FS has been created, has been deployed. Naresh FS has been deployed. Okay, now see here. If you want to come here to the storage account, this is our storage account 1910. This is the file share we have created. Now inside this file share, you go inside, click on this one, and then if you want to upload some file here now, okay, so click on browse. Okay, and then say here, okay, is saying you do not have permission. Acha, yesterday also we have got this issue. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give the blob storage account access to this file share, then only it will accept. Okay, so I'll show you how we can give that access. Okay, hold on. Storage blob contributor. So storage file contributor, we have to give the access here. So come here, come to the storage account, come to this storage account that we are working on this one, come to access control IAM, say here add role assignment. Okay, and you have to choose here what, okay, storage file contributor. Okay, what we are having, storage file data privilege contributor we are having. Okay, I'll take this one. Say next. Okay, select members here. Okay, and this is the global admin. Okay, I have logged in with this name only. See, okay, Bimmanu. Okay, so this is Bimmanu only. Select this one. Say select. Say next. Okay, and then say here review plus assign. I'm assigning the value. Okay, just hold on. It's been done. Okay, so I'll come here now. I'll come to this storage. I'll come to file share. I'll come inside the file share. I'll come to browse. No, it is asking to switch to Azure AD user account. Okay, so at the time of storage account creation, we have to check this one. I think I have not checked this. No worries. I'll do one thing. I'll go to another storage account. Okay, I'll take this storage account. Okay, this storage account I'm taking. Okay, this is premium one. This is premium one. We are not having file share in this storage account. In this storage account, this is the premium one. File share is not there. So I'll go to this storage account. Okay, this is the standard one. I'm having file share here in this storage account, or here you can click on this file share. Let us create one file share here. Okay, freshly I'm doing like let us keep it as Naresh FS, Naresh file share. Okay, I'll say here review plus create. Okay, guys, see backup, all these things I have explained. This I have explained already how to set up the backup and all. Create a new policy, then all these things. Okay, all these things like daily, hourly, what you want. Just now I've explained all these things. I'm not explaining one more time here. Okay, I'm just saying it as okay. Next, say review plus create. Okay, let the file share gets created. Click on create. Okay, so the file share has been created now with a name called Naresh FS in this storage account. Okay, 1921 MySA. This is an another storage account. Multiple storage accounts I'm having. Click on browse here. Okay, click on browse here. Say upload. So what you are doing here, you are uploading. You are uploading a file from your laptop to your file share cloud storage service. The file share cloud storage service. Click on browse, say upload. Okay, click on browse for file. Okay, let us take, I want to upload some this file. Okay, this I have selected. The file has been added here. Then click on upload. That's it. So what it is going, it is going to add a file. It is going to add a file in my file share storage service. In my file share storage service. Like this, I can add multiple files I want, guys. If I want, I can add, okay, multiple files as per my choice. See, I am adding multiple files here. All files will be getting loaded. Simple, na? Very simple. What you are doing here, what you are doing, you are loading the file. Okay, you are uploading the file from your local laptop to Azure file share storage service. Is that clear? Yes or no, guys? Multiple files we have uploaded in our file share storage service. Now, one important thing, this file share in our storage account 1921 MySA. Okay, this file share, what I'll do, I'll make it as a, what? I'll make it as a shared disk drive. Where is this file share now? This file share, if you see, where it is this file share? In cloud. Right now, this is cloud computing platform. Now, this is cloud computing platform. Correct? Now, I will make this file share as shared disk drive. Okay, for that, what I'll do, I'll create a server first. What I'll do, I'll create a server first. So click on a virtual machine here. Virtual machine is nothing but server. I'll create one VM. Quickly, I'll create one VM. Okay. How to create the VM, guys? I'm just showing in a short way. Okay, I'm just taking it as web server one. Okay, I'll take Windows Server 2019. Okay, I'll give the name for login to the server is this one only. I'm taking the configuration as 8 GB RAM. Okay, two virtual CPUs. This one I'll take and I will pass the name here, password. Okay, this is the server password I'm passing to. Okay, login. See, guys, this is the server user admin name to connect to server. This is the server name which will get recognized. The virtual machine name. This is the name. Okay, in which our VM will recognize with this name. Web server one means our VM will recognize with this name web server one. And this is what the user admin credentials means. When we want to log in, when we want to connect to the server, then we'll use this one, this username and password. Okay, fine. I'm going with the basic port openings, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, rest of all these values I'm leaving it to default. Okay, because see, guys, you won't work on virtual machines. You won't work on virtual machines. You are Azure data engineers. You will work only with Azure data services, Azure data engineering services. So this won't come for Azure data engineers as part of the syllabus. That's why I'm not explaining all these things. How I have deployed the server. Now, same follow this video and you can also deploy the server. Okay, fine. Next, I'll say here review plus create. I'm creating one server now. I'm creating one server now. Okay, click on create. Let the server get created here. The server creation is in progress now. We'll wait for some time. The server creation is in progress. See here, it's in progress. It's going on. We'll wait for it for some time. And guys, I think they are going to change the link. I'm not sure when it will be. Already some 7 to 8 demo classes has been done. These are the details for your fee payments, like the bank details and all. This is our admin name. Okay, please check with him if you are finding any difficulties, any challenges. Okay, they are giving you this course without videos in 9,000. But I strongly recommend to take this course with videos. With videos, because if you are having video recordings with you, then you can do all the labs easily. Because practicals are difficult. You cannot do the practicals just by seeing once in the class. Okay, and if you won't do the practice, it is of no use for you to even giving this 9,000 rupees also. Trust me, I'm telling. Okay, definitely you will forget and you find it difficult. That's why take the session, take this course with video recording, so that you are having videos along with you. You can see the videos 10 times, 100 times, and you can do all the labs easily. Now everything is getting recorded here. everything is getting recorded. See, they are saying as like, link changed, done with demo classes, complete your fee payment today. Okay. All right, guys, please take these details for your fee payment. Okay, I'm just waiting for the VM deployment to be completed. Okay, so let us see whether it's been done. Yeah, see now the VM is deployed. VM is deployed for us. I'll go to this resource here. See, this is web server one, my VM name. This is my VM name. I'll say connect to log into this VM. Click on connector, say select here. All these labs you can do, guys, only if you are having the video recordings with you. That's why we are asking you to enroll with the video recordings. Okay, it will help you only. Okay, to do the labs. Fine. Next, say here download RDP file. Click on keep here, open the file, say connect. Okay, say more choices and pass your user admin name. User admin name, what you have given for your server, we have given it as web server one. Okay, carefully pass here all the details. We have given the admin username as web server one. And what is the password we gave? Password we gave this one. This is the password we gave, right? So that is what I have selected. Come here and pass the password. This is the password. Say okay. Now say yes. What we are doing now, we are connecting to the cloud server which we have created just now. We are connecting to the cloud server which we have created just now. Okay, now we are logged in to this server. Okay, this is our cloud server. Okay, so here if you notice what I'm having, see, this is the PC. I'm having C drive, temporary drive. That's it. What I'll do, I'll add the file share drive here. I'll add the file share drive. Which file share drive? This one, the file share drive, what we have created. This one I will add it. Okay, this file share, what we have created in the storage account. This one, na, Naresh FS. This file share, I'll add it here in this cloud server. This is cloud server, cloud virtual machine. And once I add this file share, Naresh FS, in this server, then what is happening here? Whoever log into this server, they can go to the file share like this. How they are going to C drive? They can keep the data here. They can create the folder. They can create the files and all. It will get saved in C drive. In the same way, when I have hosted, integrated the file share server on this server, they on this server, then they can also save the files here. They can also save the files in file share, and that whatever the files folders they are saving in the file share, that will actually get stored here in the cloud computing only. See, I'll do. So what I'll do here, first I'll go here. I'll say map network drive. Map network drive. Okay. It is asking me for the folder path to give. I'll go to my file share. I'll say connect here. Okay. I want to host this file share on which operating system? Windows, Linux, Mac OS. This is what Windows. This is Windows server. So I'll say here Windows. You can take any drive letter you want accordingly. Any drive letter. Let us take as Z, or you can take as Y. You can take as a X. Whatever you want, you can take. I'm taking a Z. Okay, then I'll say here show script. Okay, I'm choosing here storage account key, and then I'll say here show script. This is show script. Click on the show script. This is the PowerShell script. This is the PowerShell script. Okay, click here to copy the PowerShell script. Work like a professional, guys. Okay, and then paste it in a separate notepad. This is your PowerShell script. I'll just minimize it. Okay, this is your PowerShell script. What we'll do now? Okay, in this PowerShell script, here I'll take this path. This path I'll take. Carefully take this path, come to your server and pass it here. Say connect using different credentials and say finish. Okay, attempting to connect. Super, super. See, it has detected what it has detected. 1921 MySA. What is this? This is our storage account name. See, 1921 MySA. This file share Naresh FS is part of the storage account. That's why it has detected this storage account when I have passed the connection string of this file share. This one. Okay, fine. Is that clear, guys? Next, what it is asking me, where is your storage account? My storage account is in Azure. So I'll say here Azure. Okay, backslash. What is my storage account name? 1921 MySA. Fine. Now password. From where I have to get the password? To get the password, go inside the storage account, and here you will find a feature called access keys. Click on this access keys. Click on show. This is your password. This is your password. Copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Come here and paste it. Fine. Click on OK. Attempting to connect. Super. Very nice. See now, if you come here, Naresh FS has been hosted. Naresh FS has been hosted. This is file share, na guys? This is file share, na? See, Naresh FS, Naresh file share. If I go here, if I go to file shares, file services, then see Naresh FS. This is our file share. That is what we have hosted here, Naresh FS. I'll go inside this. Now, this file share will become, this file share will become the part of the VM, part of the server. This file share became the part of the server. So I'll double click on it. I'll add some file, means I'm adding some data. See how many files I'm having inside this file share. If I come to cloud, if I see how many are there, see, if I go to browse, see I'm having 1, 2, 3. The same 3 it is showing it here. 1, 2, 3. I'll add some data now. Let us take, I'll add one file. And where I'm adding inside my server. Inside my server in the file share. Okay, I'll say here Naresh students details. Okay, open this one. I'll add some student details here. Let us take Charu, Chandrasekhar, Krishna Mohan, Mahesh, Charu, Chandrasekhar, Krishna Mohan, Mahesh, etc. Some students details I have added. File, save. Okay, close this notepad. So one file you have added means data you have added. Now see the magic. See the magic. Where you have added this one inside the server. Okay, but this data is actually being created in our cloud storage, cloud platform, cloud file share storage. Okay, refresh here automatically. You will see that fourth file here. See, amazing, amazing. See, Naresh student details came here. Naresh student details came here. This is the magic of a file share servers. This is the magic of file share servers. Getting, guys? Am I making sense or not? Yes or no? This is the magic of file share server. Now, every member in your team, either he is working in India, okay, he is working in India, he is working in US, he is working in Sweden, Europe, wherever, whatever the team is saving inside this as part of project related documents, that will automatically getting placed, created inside the cloud file share storage services. That's the beauty. No, no, it's applicable only to file share, not for blob. Yes, good question, Pranil. We can do this only for file share, not for blob. Is that clear? Fine, guys. Yeah, this is how we are creating the file share storage services. Fine. So now, guys, see, all this is the theoretical information. This is all theoretical information. Yesterday, I have told about the access, right? Private, blob, container. All this is a theoretical information. Okay. Read this theoretical information. Okay. And once you upload the file, okay, inside the file share storage service or inside the blob storage service, you will get the unique URL. Okay, see here, if you click on this one, this is the unique URL that you are getting it. Okay, they may ask this in the interviews also. What is one? This is one the protocol. This one is our storage account name. This is file.core.windows.net. What is this one? The moment you are seeing file in your URL, it means that it's a file share storage service. Okay, and Naresh FS is our file share name. My learnings is the file that you have uploaded. See, I'll just tell this is what this is the protocol with which the any URL will open, either HTTPS or HTTP. This is what? This is the storage account name. What is this one? File.co.windows.net. This is the hint. Means it's a file share storage service. It's a file share storage service. File.co.windows file share storage service. Naresh FS. What is this one? This is our file share we have created. File share we have created. And this is what mylearning.txt. This is the file that we have uploaded. File that we have uploaded. Getting, guys? This is static. This will be static. Okay, this will be dynamic. Whatever the name you give for your storage account, that will appear in your URL. In your URL. Okay. So this is dynamic. File.core.windows.net. This is static. Every time for file share server, in your URL for file share server, you will get file.core.windows.net. If you are saying file, means simply you have to understand it's a file share storage service. So this will be static. Always it will come like this. Naresh FS, this is dynamic because this is the file share name. File share name we have given or we have created. We have given or we have created. So this will also dynamic, which will get changed accordingly. And this is what file that we have uploaded in our file share. This is also dynamic. Whatever file you have uploaded, that file name will be reflecting in here in your URL. Same goes to this one also. What we can say, blob storage services. If you come here to container, okay, this one we have created. Naresh container, right? See, just click on this file. This is the URL. Copy this one, come here and paste it. Here the catch. Here the catch is, the difference is, here you are finding file.co.windows.net. Here you are finding blob.co.windows.net. File blob. Okay, this is the protocol. This is your storage account. Okay, storage account name blob.co.windows.net nourish container. Okay, you have created a container. Okay, in blob storage services, we'll create the container first, then we'll upload the files. In file share storage services, we'll create the file share first, then we'll upload the files. Okay, is that clear, guys? Yes, you have to practice establishing a VM. How I have created the VM, exactly follow like this only. Whatever the way I have created the VM, exactly you also deploy the VM the same way. Also deploy the VM in the same way and do all these labs, guys. I'm telling it's very important. Without labs, without practice, you cannot do just by seeing the classes. Okay, definitely. Okay, definitely. If you want to complete the labs, then please refer the video recordings. After setting up the VM, how to exist from the same. How to exist from the same means what? How to exist means what? You are talking about file share storage service. How to exist the file share storage service, Pranil? Pranil, I didn't get your question. After setting up VM, how to exist from the same? How to exist from the VM? You mean to say file share storage service? Okay, from created VM in our local laptop. No, don't do in your local laptop. Okay, create a VM in Azure only. Create a VM in Azure only and set up this file share in Azure VM only, not in your local laptop. Why? I'll tell you. See, I'll tell you. To implement this file share storage service, okay, like this, to implement this file share storage service, to host this file share storage service on the VM, the SMB port should be open. Okay, the SMB port should be open. Then only you can host this file share. You can host this file share on your local VM. That's why don't do on local VM, because in our network, okay, the network what we are using, the Wi-Fi or LAN, like ACT, Geo, Airtel, Hathway. So some of the network providers won't open this SMB port. If the SMB port is not open, okay, then you cannot host this file share on your local VM, on your local server. See, if I say here like map network drive, I may get an error here after I pass the details. SMB port should be open. That's why what I suggest, okay, create a server in cloud itself only and do it. That's why I have created a server virtual machine in cloud only. And I have done this one. Follow the video recordings, guys. Do it for 2 times, 3 times. You will get it, what you are doing, why you are doing. Initially, you may find it difficult, or you may find it, like 50% you are getting and other 50% you are not getting. It happens. I'm not denying, because you are learning a new technology, new concepts. So do it 2 to 3 times. Definitely, you will understand what you are doing, why you are doing each and every step. Is that clear, Pranil? Saif Mohammed, what is your question? Will VMware be deployed in the same way as you showed on Mac 2? Yes. Mac, I have not used any time, Saif. Okay, I have used Windows laptops only. Yes, it will work out same, but I'm not sure in Mac how it goes. Because do you have Mac laptop, Saif? Okay, try it. Try it in the Mac also. follow the same steps what I have done. Refer the video recordings of today's class. Okay, and do this lab, guys. Okay, fine. So this is what about all the theoretical information I am giving here as a knowledge point of view. Up to here, up to here, what all we have done day before yesterday, yesterday, today, for all the three classes. This is all the theoretical information. Read this material after I circulate this material to all of you. And in tomorrow's class, we'll start it from here. Okay, moving storage account and its content from one resource group to another. Okay, this I'll show you in tomorrow's class. Okay, this from this concept, I'll show it to you in tomorrow's class. Okay, all right. No, you are not going to get the study material today. Okay, once we log the batch, okay, once we get the students only who have paid the fees, then I'll share that study material to all of the students in one shot. Okay. Krishna Mohan, do one thing, refer the video one recording, you will get to know. Okay, now I cannot explain one more time. Please understand. Refer the video recording one. These are the links we are having. Okay, refer the video recording one. Day one, you will get to know what are the roles and responsibilities. Okay, it would be too great if you refer the all video links. Okay, all video links, if you refer, it will be good. At least for Azure DevOps Engineer, okay, refer this first video, day one video. In day one, I have shown that only. What is the roles, responsibilities, what is the syllabus we are covering. Okay, it is just 1 hour videos, guys. That's it. Not like 4 hours, 5 hours, big videos. Just 1 hour videos only. Okay, all right. So how is it going, guys? Is it going good? Can I get the responses, please? Is it going good? All is fine? Yes, no? What about others? Yeah, now, no, it's not tough actually, Pranil. Going forward, it will be much more tough. It will be much more tough going forward. The labs are very tough. I am telling again. That's why refer the video recordings. Refer the video recordings. I am 100% challenging you. Okay, I'll say 100% I can guarantee. Okay, without video recordings, you cannot do the labs. The upcoming, the upcoming labs are very tough. So video recordings are must to do the labs. I'm telling you. That's why we are forcing you to go with video recordings and do the labs. Just by seeing in the class once, you cannot. Tejas, this is the continuation of the classes only. Okay. So regular classes means just you are saying that, once we lock the batch, then I'll continue the batches like this only. Okay. If the batch is been locked today, so in tomorrow's class, I'll show this concept only. If the batch is not locked today, then again tomorrow I'll show this concept only. For us, it should not bother. It's Naresh IT will take care of when should be the regular classes and all. For us, it's a regular classes only. We should focus on our learning. Are you getting? Tejas, is that clear? Okay. All right, guys. I'll close the class for today. Thank you so much. We'll connect with a new topic tomorrow freshly with this concept, moving storage account and its content from one storage account to from one resource group to another resource group. This I'll show you tomorrow's class. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. We'll connect again tomorrow. Have a nice day ahead. Bye, bye, everyone. Take care.